Hi, my name is Mabo Malaza. I am the Head of Learning Development and Transformation for Harmony Gold Mining, one of the largest gold producing company in South Africa. As you've already set yourself for a career path at different disciplines or different fields, please do allow me to just give you some insights in how Harmony is really also setting themselves up to get the best talent, the cream of the crop, to come work for Harmony. And at Harmony, we do believe that the best talent lies within you. So at Harmony Gold, we have clearly defined career paths that really starts from entry level, mid-career level, and they culminates right up to senior and executive management level. So you do have a future within Harmony. You just need to have the organizational fit for Harmony. For example, we do have learnership programs across all disciplines. We do offer 12 months internship programs where you are allocated a mentor, you're allocated a supervisor, then you get taken through the work exposure program. And in the process, there are reports that you need to obviously be writing, reviews that your supervisors will actually look into. And right at the end of the 12 months program, we would have offered you with the right skills and an insight as to how you're going to now get into the real market, employment market. And we also do have what we call the work integrated learning. That's basically work exposures as well. And like I mentioned, they are available across all disciplines. We do have core disciplines, that is our mining, engineering, metallurgy, and or reserve management. And also our support services like your HR, your finance, your sustainability, communications, and so forth. So those are the developmental programs that we do offer at Harmony for completed graduates, fresh from school with the drive. And at Harmony, what we look at, importantly, we look at an organizational fit. You need to have the right attitude. You need to have the right approach to how you do your work. How you present yourself when you come for an interview is very important because amongst the other things that we evaluate during an interview process, you know what they say, first impressions do last. So please look presentable and be early for your interview because we don't, want to make out perceptions that you do not respect time. And the other thing, I think, just be clear in terms of, what you can do and what you can still learn. Be clear in your CV about your skills and your talents. Articulate your interest very well when, we sit with you around the table. And also, just be clear as to, is Harmony really a company for you? Because that's, we are in this for the long haul. We don't want short-term career developments. As Harmony, we're looking forward to tapping into the talent pool that sits within the Enectus pool. And that is why we are so proud to partner with Enectus in this Career Connections Network. And also, over the years, we've also, supported Enectus, and we strongly believe in the talent that sits within the Enectus pool. Think about Harmony as the best company to work for, and also think about Harmony as, is this the company that I can personally and professionally grow myself? Is it the company that I can really grow my career within? And yeah, we've got the best, areas to develop your skills, your talent. And as you embark on this journey of your career, you need to also think about what you want as a person. Does your personal values really speak to that of company values, which is Harmony? So I wish you all the best in the Enectus regional competition, and may the best team win. Remember to check out our website for all the internships, the learnerships, the bursary opportunities that we have on our website, harmony.co.za. Good luck. Thank you.